Let's see how bank accounts work. I've got a bank statement here for the month of October 2020. We've got a deposit column for money going into the bank account. So we add it to what's in there. So let's put a plus sign at the top. We've got a withdrawal column. That's when we take money out or spend money. So let's put a subtraction sign there. And what's left after we add and subtract is the balance. So let's put an equals sign there. Now, if we have a look, you can see on the 1st of October, we have the opening balance. This just tells us how much we've got in the bank. So there's no deposit or withdrawal. It's the balance at the start of the month, and there's $24. On the 2nd of October, you got some pocket money, and it was deposited into the bank. So that means it was added. If we look at how much you had $24. We have to add $10 for the deposit, and that leaves a new balance of $34. Then on the 6th of October, you went shopping and you spent $14 at Gamesland. Now, you spent money, you withdrew money from your bank account, so that means the balance went down. So we need to subtract $14. Now, we subtract it from the balance the day before or the entry before. There was $34, we subtract $14, and that leaves a new balance of $20. So can you see, as we go down each entry, we look at the balance the time before, and then we either add or subtract to get the new balance. So once again, you went shopping and spent $6. So we had $20, spent $6, and that leaves a balance of $14. Now the next one, we have to be careful because if you have a look, it's in the deposit column. So there was $14, there was another deposit of $10, so we add 10 to 14 to get $24. And then on the 30th of October, you earned another $10 and put it in the bank as a deposit. So 24 plus 10 gives us $34. Now, at the end of the month, we need to know the closing balance. So we just look at the last balance, and that is $34. Now, let's work it out for November. The month's not finished yet, but let's say we look at the bank statement so far. We have an opening balance of $34, and we got that from the last month. It was the closing balance for October. So what happens in November so far? Well, you did have something happen. On the 2nd of November, you earned $5 mowing lawns. Now, when you earn that money, you decide to put the money in the bank. So that's a deposit, and we're going to add that to the balance. So we have $5 pocket money as a deposit. You had $34 already, so when you add $5, you now have $39. Now you pay $8.50 for data for your mobile phone, and it comes out of your bank account, so it's a withdrawal. That means we need to put that down and actually subtract it. So it's in the withdrawal column, and we take the balance, which is $39, and we subtract $8.50. So if we subtract $8, we would have $31 left, but we have to subtract another 50 cents. So that means there's a balance of $30.50. So on the 5th of November, we can see the balance is $30.50. And we can see the deposit for the month so far and any withdrawals for the month so far.